Introducing the PowerPack Universal Slim, the newest addition to our innovative travel power bank range. Whether you're jet setting across the globe or navigating your daily commute, this sleek and powerful travel charger is designed to keep you charged and connected no matter where you are. The PowerPack Universal Slim is available in sky blue, lavender purple and snow white. Today I'll be guiding you through a quick unboxing and tutorial of the lavender purple model. Upon unboxing, you'll be greeted with a manual and underneath the PowerPack Universal Slim itself. 3 interchangeable travel adapters and a complimentary lanyard for easy carrying. Now let's take a closer look at the PowerPack Universal Slim and discover what makes this one of our most exciting travel chargers. Its new slimmer and taller form factor is not only visually appealing but also super comfortable to carry and hold in your hand. One of the first key features in this model is the blazing fast charging speeds. The PowerPack Universal Slim includes 2 fast charging cables providing rapid charging for your devices. The first built-in cable is a 20-watt lightning cable, perfect for charging nearly all your Apple devices. Next to the lightning cable is a 22.5-watt USB-C cable, capable of charging Android devices and an iPhone 15 from 0 to 50% in under 30 minutes. Additionally, the PowerPack Universal Slim features a 20-watt USB-C output, enabling you to charge a third device all at the same time. This ensures you can quickly boost the battery life of your essential devices, reducing downtime and keeping you connected and productive while on the move. When it comes to capacity, the PowerPack Universal Slim features a large 10,000 mAh battery, making it perfect for on-the-go use while traveling. It can charge your smartphone up to 2 times on a single charge, ensuring you stay connected wherever you are. Another standout feature of the PowerPack Universal Slim is its universal compatibility. Equipped with interchangeable AU, EU, UK and Asia adapters, plus a built-in US adapter, you'll stay connected in over 150 countries around the world. To attach an adapter, simply fold the US prong inward and slide your chosen adapter downward until it clicks into place. To detach an adapter, hold down the lock button located at the top. This button will unlock the adapter, allowing for easy removal. We've also included an LED screen on the front so you always know how much power is left in your PowerPack Universal Slim. Recharging is where the PowerPack Universal Slim shines. To recharge, simply plug one end of a USB-C cable into the power input above the LED screen and the other end into a wall charger. It also supports pass-through charging, meaning you can connect and charge another device at the same time while recharging the power bank itself. And that's it, a complete rundown of the PowerPack Universal Slim, the perfect power bank for travel and everyday use. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to our customer care team via our website. We'll see you in the next one.